Create a new project file defining it as pre-existing reinforced concrete. You can assess the current situation. Model the structure using object input. You have a guide in defining the knowledge level of the structure. Add various material test types and obtain the calculated resistances. Define the existing steel reinforcements. And speed up input using the copy, paste and duplicate functions. Calculate the building's seismic vulnerability level. Analyze the planned design stage starting from the surveyed current situation. Insert new structural elements. Design a reinforcement intervention. And then compare the surveyed current stage against the planned design stage.